When we feel criticized, it's natural to want to defend ourselves. In the moment we go into defense mode, we stop listening. It reminds me of what Thierry Real used to say when we were training with him. Do you want to be right, or do you want to be married? Sometimes listening without defensiveness means we have to take a breath, to pause. Always, it means putting our need to be right aside. It means focusing on truly understanding your partner's experience. And please know, it's not about agreeing with your partner necessarily. It's about creating a space where they feel heard and understood. And when you do this, you are fostering the connection. It might feel like a little bit of a rough patch, and when you get through it, it will feel much better because you stayed in connection during the challenge. If you like this information, I invite you to like and subscribe. Join us on the next video. I look forward to seeing you there.